transparency isn't just valued, it's essential. Nature Bio Foods TraceOrigin has transformed how you view the journey of your food. It is time to redefine our commitment to transparency and you. It is time to welcome TraceOrigin 360. Experience a new dimension in Nature Bio Foods TraceOrigin like never before. From farm to shelves, witness the journey of every product with unmatched detail and clarity. Because you are there in the heart of its origin, you can access in-depth certification information at your fingertips. Verify organic authenticity and sustainability impact with your own eyes. Every grain, every leaf. See them up close in their natural habitat. The nuances of organic procurement and supply chain integrity. Enhance your sourcing decisions. Understand the impact of each on quality, sustainability, and your business values. With Nature Bio Foods TraceOrigin 360, your favorite organic products aren't just items on a shelf. They are stories, experiences, and lives that you can see, feel, and connect with. Because it isn't just about tracing food. It's about bridging worlds. Your world, and the world where your food begins. TraceOrigin 360 from Nature Bio Foods brings you close to your farms, closer to your farmers,